Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this past weekend, Darren drove me to actually, he found it online, the fashion show, the fashion doll show in Cincinnati, Ohio. Last year, we went, actually, Darren found it. He is so good online. He can find anything, things that you wouldn't believe. Last year, we went to Cincinnati, Ohio for the Blythe Con. And the day before, they had this fashion show, the fashion doll show, the day before BlytheCon. And we went, and our eyes were like this big. It was the best doll show I've been to. Now, I haven't been to a lot of doll shows, but adding that with the way they did the BlytheCon last year, oh, I was so thrilled. I walked on cloud 9. Okay, I still am. So this year, Darren looked it up again, and I talked Ayla Avar and Doris Dolly's into going too. Didn't take a lot. All I did was mention it. So the three of us went to the doll show. Our husbands were with us. I'll say it again, 3 is not a crowd and 6 is a party. We had such fun all weekend. But let me tell you about the doll show right now. We walked in the door, and I had said, you know, that if the same people were there, I was going to deal with the same people. And the gal that I dealt with last year, just inside the door with all the good Barbie clothes for like 25 to 75 cents in little baggies, was there. Got more on her later. But across from her booth were a couple of young guys that had a booth, and they had a $1 basket, and I got this girl for $1 out of that basket. She is, I believe, one of the Barbie extras. They gave me the little coat for free. It was also in there, and her hair is really nice. I mean, really nice. So I got her, and also in that, and Darren's about wore me out talking about why didn't I get them all. These were $1 each, and they had several of these. I only bought these, $1 each. I know, I can hear you. I hear you out there in Dollyland. But we had just walked in the door, and look what else they had for $2 each. They had the Rainbow High shoes, $2. I bought every one of these. They had 3, I bought 3. So I was thrilled with that. I think we bought her first, didn't we? And there were some clothes I got with her. And I messed up. They had a blonde, and they offered me the 2 dolls for $15, and I only bought the one for 10, which was so stupid, I know. But like I said, we had just walked in the door. We were at the show from 10 a.m. to 3, and I think I only sat down for a very short time twice. It was exciting and fun and so much to look at. But I wanted to show you what great shape her dress is in. Now, I'll wash this and hang it to dry, and all of these wrinkles will come out. I'll scrub her down and do her hair, and I am happy, happy, happy to have her. Yeah, I should have bought the blonde too, but we just walked in the door. I had made these custom Blythes that I took with us, and the 3 of us each had one of these. And she rode on my stroller that my little Yorkie went along and rode. I want to show this at the end because that was the last thing I bought. I am trying to find, nope, this isn't it. But at this booth, I walked around the whole show floor like 4 times. You cannot possibly see it in one swipe. And when you first get there, you want to like kind of hurry so that if there's something you're looking for or you like, you can find it. This same gal had La-Di-Da dolls for $3. I only bought this one because she was the only one they had that I did not have at home. She even came with shoes. $3. $3. So I was glad to get her, but what I'm looking for was, oh, Ayla Avar gave me this. These are for my boy Blythe dolls, and this is a blow-up that my Blythe, our Barbies, would like to play with down in the lake. So that's cool. We have a pond. We call it Lake Thimble. I hope they're in here and not in the other room because I was looking at them. Here they are. Oh, this was one of those finds. Each item was separate. Let's set this here. Each item was separate. You will recognize, some of you, this dress and this dress, and know what I got. These dresses I did not think were expensive. This one is a few pieces, plus it has the itty bitty shoes, the original, I don't know if you can see them, the original brush, comb, mirror, hanger, everything for a dondle. I was so happy to find these. So we stood there going through it all. This one's head's broke. We're going to get her fixed, but she was, what does this say, $5. And Darren can fix that. And yes, she's whited out, but that's okay. And they had this with the poodle and the hanger and the boots, all original. Isn't that incredible? Oh, I did not have a Dawn doll, but last year they were really big. And
what's that little one?
Yeah, oh, I thought there were two of them. I was looking in the bag. I got a couple little kittles, and I made an offer on all of this, and we went back and forth. These people at this particular show do wheel and deal, and I am over the moon at all of this. This is just absolutely gorgeous. Look at that $4. Oh my God. Can you believe that? Oh, I was tickled to find that. Then this guy had these two Barbie. This was like near the end of the show when I was walking back through. These snapped together. These are actual Barbie Mattel. I'm not sure if this one is. I think it is though. Actual Barbie Mattel bicycles. And there were two in a bag for $5. And I got my money out. He said, if you have $2, just make it $2. I don't really have change. So I gave him $2. Then this I bought for $2. I don't think this will fit my, my 1960s girl, Ruth 66, but I thought I'd try it. If not, I have other dolls. $2 for that.
It looked like her boyfriend's
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Letterman jacket.
That's what I was thinking. And that was from the same booth as the Big Barbie and the La-Di-Da. And let's see. Oh, I don't remember getting this one. I got some. This was from the same gal in the front. Oh, almost left those shoes in there. These are really old Barbie shoes. Let me make sure I get everything out of there. And then once again, she had like 25-cent, 50-cent Barbie clothes. Let's keep those separate from the Dawn. And I thought these would be cute down around Lake Thimble. Look at that, 25 cents for 2 pieces. And I got these boots because we just did, I just did a weird Barbie and they were 25 cents and I thought, well, isn't that cute? I have Breyer horses and I'm not sure if this is for Breyer or Barbie horse, but it looks Breyer. So I got that. And then Mago Dizzy, Dawn Clone. I got this. I don't know what I paid. It was in the same bag, but honestly, I don't remember getting this one. Anyway, I got this girl. Look at this dress. Look at this dress. Is that correct? Oh, I don't even see a price on it. I don't know what I paid. More clothes, little hanger. How stinking cute. Look at that little bitty skirt. Oh my God. And another little dress. So I am thrilled. I am going to leave this in here on the inside so that I do not get these mixed up. I am not a doll expert. I wish I were. One day maybe I will be. Put her in here next to the Dawns. As I say that, I had gone to a booth. I told Darren before we left, oh, I really like those Poppy and Integrity dolls, but I want to look at them, but I'm not getting one. And here I am holding two absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous girls. Darren just made them black stands, one each, and an outfit came. I'm not going to leave it on her, but let's see how this looks. This is from AliExpress. It came while we were gone, and I'm announcing a challenge I'm going to put out with Ayla Avar. It is a dress a Barbie, any Barbie at all, in the fashion that Mattel does holiday Barbies for the Barbie. Oh gosh, that's not bad. That is not bad on this Integrity doll. And that's from AliExpress. Oh, she is so gorgeous, just gorgeous. Like I said, I am not going to leave her in, but I did want to show you that Darren has, God love him, already made stands for my Integrity dolls. And their stands are a little different because you don't want to come up under their shoulders because of the clothing. Oh, I like it. So I got two. I made a deal on two. And I was walking away and I saw Drew carry. And these are expensive on eBay. And I've thought about doing a Pugsley Blythe doll. And this would be the body style I would need. And I did not want to leave it for $5, so I got it. Then I got her at another booth. We pull her out. She's gorgeous. Wasn't going to. Price was right. Let's see if she has a, I don't know her name. It's just a toner doll. Robert Toner. Oh, she's gorgeous. If you know her name, I haven't looked it up yet. The lady told me. But isn't she gorgeous? Her hair is in good, oh. She has inset eyes, and I love these fashion dolls. I love these fashion dolls. She was marked 40. She was already marked down to 20. I was looking at her and I thought, oh God, do I insult her and offer her 15? Because she's not a doll I was going to buy today, but she's so pretty. And the lady says, would you like her for 15? And I said, yeah, I would. And on that, I was walking out the door last year, and this booth right in front where I got the Barbie clothes and the big Barbie last year had a Batat horse, and I was looking at it. It was near the end of the show. It was at the end of the show. And I don't know, I think it was marked 15, and the lady said, would you want it for 8? And I bought the Batat horse. So I was looking at this, and she didn't remember me. But it was so funny. I was looking at this doll, just looking at it, and I picked it up and I'm looking at it, and she said, would you like her for 8? So for $8, I bought her. I think she's lovely. I love the holiday dolls. I honestly think I have this girl, but for $8, I wasn't going to leave her. Let me know in the comments which is your favorite. And yeah, I know you would have bought every one they had. I know, but we had just walked through the door. And I should have bought the Barbie. I know, the blonde. I know. But space and, cash, I try to think about. And my husband, I have to tell you what Darren said. I was looking at these Integrity dolls, and I was talking to him about it. And he said, we drove a long way. Buy all the dolls you want. we drove an awful long way for you not, here's what he said. We drove an awful long way for you not to get the dolls that you want. Thank you, Darren, for that. Thank you, Ayla and Dory, for making this so much more. I started to tell you, I went to look at these Integrity dolls, and I know nothing about them. Here's what I know about them. Oh my God, they're beautiful. So I went and got Dory to look them over, and that's a shout out to Dory's Dollies because she knows dolls, all dolls, from Playline to rad dolls to the way upper class dolls. And wait till you see what she and Ayla got. Be sure to go by their channels. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.